Get ready for 20 brainstorming riddles. You only have 15 seconds each to answer. Can you survive till the end? Let's begin before time runs out. Good luck.
I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have nobody, but I come alive with wind. Time's up. The answer is echo. The more of me you take, the more you leave behind. Time's up. The answer is footsteps. I am light as a feather, yet the strongest man can't hold me for long. Time's up. The answer is breath. I have keys but no locks. I have space but no room. You can enter, but you can't go outside. Time's up. The answer is keyboard. The person who makes it, sells it. The person who buys it never uses it. The person who uses it never knows they're reusing it. Time's up. The answer is coffin. I am always hungry and will die if not fed, but whatever I touch will soon turn red. Time's up. The answer is fire. I am taken from a mine, and shut up in a wooden case, from which I am never released, and yet I am used by almost every person. Time's up. The answer is pencil lead. I can fly without wings. I can cry without eyes. Wherever I go, darkness flies. Time's up. The answer is cloud. The more you take from me, the bigger I get. Time's up. The answer is whole. I have cities, but no houses. I have mountains, but no trees. I have water, but no fish. Time's up. The answer is map. I am not alive, but I can grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. I don't have a mouth, and water kills me. Time's up. The answer is fire. Forward I am heavy, but backward I am not. Time's up. The answer is ton. I start with T, end with T, and have T in me. Time's up. The answer is teapot. I have no beginning, end, or middle, and I am endless. Time's up. The answer is circle. What comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years? Time's up. The answer is letter M. I have branches, but no fruit, trunk, or leaves. Time's up. The answer is bank. The more you take away from me, the bigger I become. Time's up. The answer is whole. I have a heart that does TV. Time's up. The answer is artichoke. I am always in front of you but can't be seen. Time's up. The answer is future. I go in hard, come out soft, and am never the same. Time's up. The answer is chewing gum.
Time's up. How many questions did you get right? Please let us know by like and commenting. Thanks.